NatWest, one of the leading banks in the UK, has found itself amidst a storm of customer complaints and frustrations as its mobile and online banking services suffer significant outages. The bank, which boasts a substantial customer base, has issued apologies but struggles to provide a clear explanation for the technical glitches. Reports from various sources indicate that NatWest customers across the country have been unable to access crucial banking services via both the mobile app and website. The disruption has caused inconvenience and frustration among customers who rely heavily on digital banking for their day-to-day financial transactions. In a statement addressing the issue, NatWest acknowledged the problems faced by its customers and issued an apology for the inconvenience caused. However, the bank has faced criticism for its handling of the situation, with many questioning the lack of transparency regarding the cause of the outages. According to reports, NatWest has advised affected customers to visit branches for assistance, a move that has been met with mixed reactions. While some customers appreciate the alternative support offered, others have expressed dissatisfaction, citing the inconvenience of having to visit physical branches for services they typically access online. The outage has not only impacted individual customers but has also raised concerns among businesses relying on NatWest's online banking services. With businesses increasingly dependent on digital platforms for financial transactions, any disruption to online banking services can have significant implications for operations and cash flow. NatWest's struggles to provide a satisfactory explanation for the outages have only added to the frustration felt by customers. Despite assurances that the bank is working to resolve the issue, many customers remain skeptical about the reliability of NatWest's digital banking services. The incident highlights the growing reliance on digital banking services and the importance of robust infrastructure to support seamless transactions. As more customers embrace online and mobile banking, banks must prioritize the stability and security of their digital platforms to maintain trust and confidence among customers. In the wake of the outages, NatWest faces a daunting task of restoring confidence among its customer base and addressing concerns about the reliability of its digital banking services. Clear communication and timely resolution of the technical issues will be crucial in rebuilding trust and minimizing the impact on customer satisfaction.